Today is lesson 4.1, multiply with 2 and 4. Our essential question is, how can you multiply with 2 and 4? Our problem of the day is, Leslie has 960 tickets. She uses 475 tickets to get a puzzle. How many tickets does she have left? Using the cubes method, what I will do is I will circle the numbers, which is 960 and 475. I'll underline the question, how many tickets does she have left? And then I will box the clue words left. That tells me that it's a subtraction problem. So I will have 960 minus 475. So when I subtract these using place value, I have to regroup. So I'll make this 0 a 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. And because I have 5 and I can't take 7 away from 5, I have to regroup once more. So I make this 8 and a 9 and 8, and make this 5 a 15. So 15 minus 7 is 8, and then 8 minus 4 is 4. So my answer is 485, which is letter B. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be multiplying by 2's and 4's. So how we do this is we can use addition and multiplication together in a relationship, because when we have 2 times 3, that actually equals 3 plus 3, and that equals 6, because we have 2 groups of 3. So 3 plus 3 equals 6 right here. So, saying this with me, 2 times 4 equals 4 plus 4 equals 8. I want you to try this next one with me. 2 times 5 equals 5 plus 5 equals 10. So when we have 2 groups of 5, that equals 5 plus 5 equaling 10. So what I want you to do is I want you to draw some counters on your Post-it, and I want you to make 2 groups of 3. I want you to make them in an addition sentence and a multiplication sentence. Make sure to turn this in when you are done.